Everything you need to know about the latest and greatest spring trends is happening right now. Let's go. Hi, I'm Kim. I'm a celebrity fashion stylist. Welcome to my channel. Today, we are talking about spring trends for 2018. We saw neons come down the runway, the 80s pastels, we saw fringe, the kimonos are back, embellished jeans. It is such a fun season. And actually, I find a lot of them really easy to wear. So I picked a few of my favorite spring trends and I'm gonna show you how to style them. The first trend I want to talk about is actually sort of a Japanese-inspired trend. There's many names for it, and the kimono is actually part of that spring trend. So I picked up this one. I was absolutely drawn in by the colors. I think it's stunning, and I love anything black, and I just feel like these blues and purples really jump off of this kimono. So a kimono is an amazing piece to have in your wardrobe, spring and summer. You're right on trend. Most of the time, you just throw it on with a tank and jeans, a t-shirt and jeans, and in the summertime, you can switch it to shorts. It's a gorgeous piece. This one is new for Free People this season, and I'm loving it. Here's another kimono that I found for you. It's also Free People. Here's another kimono that I wanted to show you. I found two beautiful ones, so I couldn't just show you one. This embodies several spring trends that are going on, so it's actually a beautiful piece to have in your wardrobe. And it's a very neutral color, despite the fact that it is floral because it has a neutral base. So it can go with a lot of pieces. Again, also Free People. It has a little bit of embellishment here, some sequins, the floral pattern, both things that are trendy for spring 2018. I threw it on with the exact same outfit that I have. It's just a bit of a different style if you're looking for something shorter. Pick something that suits you. The color, the style, the cut. Another one of my favorite 2018 spring trends is pastels. They are huge. We saw them everywhere coming down the runway. And so I've been kind of out there pulling for my clients and pulling for shoots and seeing all these great pieces. I found this shirt from Calvin Klein and I fell in love. It's so soft. And I thought the muted pink was actually really pretty. It's not something that I normally wear, and I just paired it with my regular gray jeans and I really love it. So pastels are great. They're perfect for spring, great for Easter. It's a very soft, kind of feminine look, and you can play with them however you want, like whatever looks good for you. So anyway, I found this shirt. I thought it was super cute. Pastels. Bright colors for spring. This year, more than ever, we saw like neon, really bright colors come out, and they're here. And actually, I love them and they look amazing. Again, pick a piece that looks good on you. I was really drawn to this green sweater. It's cute, it's really light. I liked the cuffs. It kind of has embellished sleeves, which I thought was really cool. So again, it has a few trends that make it kind of cute while still being a very basic piece. So that's something I really liked about this one because you can wear it a few times with a few different things. I could throw it on with a pair of shorts in the summer if I wanted, on top of a bathing suit if it was cold, coming out of a boat. I can wear it with jeans, I can dress it up, I can wear it with heels. This is a fantastic piece and it's bright green. So again, choose a bright color that works for you. Maybe it's pink, maybe it's blue, maybe it's yellow. And one of my rules of thumb, take it and hold it up to your face in the mirror and see what it looks like. You'll be able to tell right away if it works for you or not. So anyway, bright colors. Here's my cute lime green sweater. Next up, embellished jeans are a huge trend this spring. We saw them on the runway and they're a really fun trend to wear. I'm actually loving them, which is a little not normal for me. I feel like I really like everything classic and plain. But with something like this, what I do is I just keep everything else classic. Plain white t-shirt, leather moto jacket, jeans, booties. I love the trend and you can dress them up, dress them down. These could be worn with a black top, a pair of heels, pumps out for dinner. You could throw on a pair of high tops with this. It would still look super cute, or any type of sandal in the summer. I love it. I just want to show you another style of embellished jeans. Here's a pair that I found at Topshop. These can dress up really nicely. There's a lot going on. There's some sequins, embroidery, some flowers. I think they're super cute with a pair of embellished jeans. Like I said, keep it neutral. So I paired these jeans with a pair of nude pumps, a silk tank from Aritzia, a moto jacket, and a small purse to go out for the evening. The Windbreaker. It's back and it's coming in all styles, colors, and cool cuts. I found this awesome Windbreaker and I believe it's from Dex, and I thought it was so cute. I mean, especially in the spring, you know, when you're like running errands or even going out to meet friends for lunch or whatever, you can throw it on. Camo is also trendy for spring. So I just thought it was a super cute piece. I've thrown it on with just a pair of high-waisted girlfriend jeans and the same boots that I was wearing. I just love how throwback the Windbreaker is. I remember having a Windbreaker. I think mine was one of those ones in the pouch where you could wear it around your waist. So after you wore it, you could like stuff it in the pouch, and it had like the striped lining, and then it was elastic and you could clip it onto your waist. I was super cool when I wore one of those. And now I'm cool again. A Windbreaker. You need one for spring. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my take on 2018 spring trends. There are so many fun ones out there. I really love this season. It's a great time for spring trends, and just get out there and choose what you love. And remember, if you guys like this video, to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and then I will show up in your mailbox every Thursday and Saturday, and we will hang out and I will give you a whole bunch of fashion and style tips that you can share with your friends, and you can look really cool doing it. See you next week. Hi, I'm Kim. I'm a celebrity fashion stylist, and for those of you who know me, welcome back. And for those of you who don't, I forget my tagline. I've been filmed in a really long time. Christmas break has gotten to me. What do I normally say? I can't believe he's having to tell me my own lines that I've been saying for like 2 years. Next up, Embellished Jeans. Ta-da!
No, we just keep going.
Okay. Next up, Embellished Jeans. Keep talking.
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay, you ready? Yeah. Good. I still can't do it. There, I got it. But never mind.